Hi, and welcome to another video by Jimthecarguy. Today we're going to be replacing the battery on this 2004 Hyundai Accent. There's oxidation all over the terminal ends. I'm going to show you how to replace the battery and also how to clean that very easily. Basically what we're going to do is we're going to take the battery out of the car first, and I'll show you how that's going to be done. You can loosen the terminals. I always take the negative one first, just to play it safe so you don't ground it out. Give you the negative cable. Just relocate it to the side for now. And then we're going to take off the positive cable. It's a 10 millimeter. We just want to remove the 10 millimeter. Just loosen it up. Okay, once you have it loosened, you can just take it and move it off to the side for now. In this particular car, the hold down is already broken. So we're going to just remove the battery. All I do is just take ordinary hot water and just put in some baking soda into hot water. Don't need a lot, just a little bit. We'll just mix it around a little bit, and I'm going to show you how it works. Actually, it looks like it's boiling it actually. Somebody put a zip tie on this thing already, so I'm just going to take that off for now, and we'll put that back on later. And this will neutralize any kind of acid. And you just leave it sitting there for a couple of minutes, and it cleans off all the acid that's on the terminal end itself. And you'll see it stops bubbling after a while. It's pretty much neutralized everything that's on the end of it. I'll show you. See? Neutralizes all of that acid that's on there. So now it's nice and clean. We're going to clean off the inside of it, and we'll clean this one off here also, and we'll put it back together. Once you use just a cleaner, you just get in here and you clean out any kind of corrosion or any kind of oxidation or anything like that that's on the inside of it. Same thing with this one here. You can clean it. Cleans out all of that dirt and debris that's on the inside. And I'm going to clean this one off here. Again, just dip it into the solution. I'll show you. See? And you just let it clean off a little bit. After that stops bubbling, then we'll just wipe that down and put it back together. We'll just let this soak for just a little bit. Okay, now we've got everything cleaned up. I'm going to put the battery back into the car. So I'll get it in there and I'll show you how we're going to do it. We're going to connect our positive cable on first, and we'll tighten that up. Alright, nice and tight. And we're going to put our negative cable on. Okay, we're going to reconnect our negative cable and tighten that up. Now the hold down in this particular one was broken already, so the customer doesn't want to have it repaired. So all we do is, after you get it all back connected up the way it's supposed to be, they sell this stuff. It's called battery protector, and you'll spray it on the terminal ends, and it keeps it from getting any kind of oxidation or corrosion on it. Okay, we'll let that dry, and then we're going to reconnect the cover that goes over the top. So once it's dry, we're just going to put this on there and put a zip tie around it because the bottom strap on here was missing already. And that's it, fairly easy. I'll show you once I get this back on again after it dries. Alright, that's it. We have everything tight. The protector is on here tight. Terminal is tightened up, and that's it. I'm just going to start it, make sure we're okay, and we should be in good shape. As you can see, putting the battery in is fairly easy. Just about anybody can do it. Alright, as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.